Hey, what is up YouTube? Thank you guys so much for joining me. My name's Tobias, and today what I have for you is a review of the Fetch Rewards app. I think this is the first time I have ever reviewed an app, and I think this is a pretty cool one. So pretty much the Fetch Rewards app is an app that allows you to scan your grocery receipts, and then you earn points from your receipts, and then you could trade those points for Visa or MasterCard gift cards or any other kind of gift cards. Like they have gift cards for Chipotle, Amazon, Macy's, like anything. They have a ton of different kinds of gift cards that you can get. And just really quick before we continue, if you are new to my channel and you want to keep up to date with my videos, make sure you go down there and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notifications button. And if you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out tremendously. And let us continue. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how the Fetch Rewards app works, how you redeem your gift cards, and I'll give you guys some tips on using the app. And if this app sounds like something you might be interested in yourself, I'm gonna go ahead and put my referral code right here as well as my referral link down in the description of this video. And if you do use my referral code here on the screen or my referral link down in the description below, I should get points when you scan your first receipt. And also when you scan your first receipt, you should get 2,000 points. So you'll be off to a pretty good start. So if you use my referral, I would really appreciate that. Thank you guys so much. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into how this app works. So first of all, I wanna get into how Fetch Rewards makes their money, because they need to be able to afford to pay us out. So from what I understand, Fetch Rewards uses our information from our receipts to sell to companies for market research. For example, if a given cereal company sees that people who buy this brand of coffee also buy their brand of cereal, they know that they could target ads to these people who buy this brand of coffee. And this type of information is really valuable to companies. So now, how do we use the Fetch Rewards app? First of all, I just want to say it's great for Instacart shoppers. If you didn't know, I do Instacart, so I always have a ton of grocery receipts. And I probably should have mentioned this earlier, it's just for grocery receipts. And I'm going to show you guys how scanning receipts work in a second. But first of all, I just want to say you can scan up to 14 receipts in a period of 7 days, and these receipts must not be older than 14 days. And right now I'm going to show you guys how scanning receipts works. And I filmed this clip last night because I had some receipts that were about to expire. So let's go back to last night. So hit the camera button and let's go ahead and get to scanning. So take my first picture. You want to make sure that you get a good focus on the receipt because the app needs to be able to read the items on your receipt. Hit the plus button, take a second picture. Then submit it. And check that out, I got 50 points. And I got those 50 points because Lucky Charms were in the receipt. So pretty much like depending on like the brand of stuff on the receipt, that'll determine like how many points you get per receipt. Like sometimes it might have a special, like you get so many points if you have like Coca-Cola on your receipt or like this or that. But the cool thing is that even if you don't buy brand name stuff and nothing on your receipt like gets you like bonus points, just for scanning a receipt, you'll still get 25 points. This was a pretty long receipt. I had to use 3 pictures. $858 points, that was a pretty good receipt. And right below you could see all the brands that got me those points. 300 points for that shampoo. Alright, this is my final receipt right here. And yeah, this was a Sprouts receipt. And I remember this one. I got a ton of points for this receipt because it had 2 cases of Blue Moon beer. In my experience, receipts with beer on them always get you the most points. Okay, got the back of the receipt here. Remember, you got to get the entire receipt in. And there we go, guys. over 2,500 points. And I just want to show you guys this really quick. If you guys shop on Amazon, you can actually also get points for stuff that you buy on Amazon. So if you click on where it says me, and then you click on where it says shop online, it says connect. I already connected my account, but if I hadn't connected my account yet, it would say connect with Amazon, and then you click that button, enter in your Amazon information, and then when you go to the home page, the Discover page, and you see that camera button, right next to it, there's a little blue button with a letter E on it, and click on that, and then it'll check Amazon for anything that you've bought. I haven't bought anything recently, so no e-receipts have been found. But if it did find something, you know I would get points for that. And if you look here, wait, let me see. I should have something from Amazon. Oh yeah, if you look here, March 11th, I got 25 points for something I bought on Amazon. March 12th, I got 25 points for something on Amazon. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna show you now is how to redeem your gift cards. So the way I see it is that every 1,000 points that you have, that pretty much equals $1. And the reason I say pretty much is because if you click on the little star and you go to rewards, if you look at gift cards for places like restaurants or, you know, office supplies or like anything, home goods, it pretty much comes out to, in everything actually, it comes out to 1,000 points does equal $1. However, if you go up to, where is it? MasterCard/Visa, if you want one of those, for $5 Visa gift card, it's 6,000 points. So it's like 1,000 points more expensive than if you were to get just a regular gift card. If you go ahead and download the app, use my referral link or my referral code, and you scan your first receipt, you should get 2,000 points. And I want to say, if you're scanning probably, you know, 2 receipts in your first day, you could easily have 3,000 points, which equals $3. Unless you're going with the Visa or the MasterCard, that equals $3. So if you go up to the top of the screen under rewards, you can see where it says up to 3,000 points, and it shows you everything that you can get for 3,000 points. By the way, $3 is like the minimum you could cash out at. The cool thing about this app is that you can do that. I know a lot of apps where you're doing like a similar kind of thing. Sometimes it'll be like you need to have at least $20 worth of points to redeem anything. This app's cool because you only need $3 worth of points to redeem. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go down to, where is it? Gifts? Wait, is it gifts? No. It is under, pretty much I want a Amazon gift card. If you look at the top of the screen, I have just over 18,000 points. And yeah, I want an Amazon. Wait, what's the next tier up? Let's see. Oh, 25K. Oh yeah, so I guess Amazon, they have like a $3, $5, $10, and $25 option. So I'm gonna go ahead and redeem a $10 Amazon gift card. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on it, get my $10 reward. It says, are you sure you want to use your points for this reward? And I'm gonna click yes. Oh, they sent me a security code, 1543. Your reward is waiting for you. Go to My Rewards and follow the link to view your reward details. Awesome. All right, so I'm in My Rewards right now. If you look at the top of the screen, now I just have over 8,000 points left. I'm gonna click on my new gift card. I'm gonna copy this code. You know, I'm probably gonna have to blur this out, by the way. And then I'm gonna go into Apply to Accounts. It's gonna take me to Amazon. I'm gonna have to log in. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and enter my code. Apply to balance. Nice. So it added that $10 to my balance. Now I have $20, which I can use to buy anything I want on Amazon. And that's how you redeem your points. Now I'm gonna give you guys some tips on how to use the Fetch Rewards app most efficiently. My first tip is, in my opinion, don't go for the Visa or the MasterCard gift cards. You get less bang for your buck. And there's a pretty good chance that you can find a gift card to a place that you actually go to or that you do spend money at in their rewards section. My second tip is don't alter your regular shopping habits just to earn points unless it makes sense. And I'll just give you guys a quick example of this. So imagine you're going to buy a case of beer. Case A of beer costs $19.99. Case B of beer costs $19.99. Now, if you go into your Fetch Rewards app and you see that they have a promotion for 2,000 points if you include type B beer in your receipt, then yeah, it'll make more sense to buy type B than type A, because that's pretty much going to equal getting $2 off type B. And that would make sense to go with type B. However, it would not make sense if you typically buy non-name brand cereal, which is half the price of a name brand cereal, yet you go to buy the name brand cereal to earn the points on the app. Unless the points in the app make up for the difference in price between the two cereals, it would not make sense to buy the name brand cereal. If you have Lucky Charms over here, and over here you have some weird off-brand Lucky Charms, and these cost $1.50, and the actual Lucky Charms cost $4.50, and you're only getting 50 points for buying the Lucky Charms, then it would not make sense to do that. I hope that made sense. My next piece of advice has to do with referrals. Honestly, guys, you make the most points through referrals. Right now, I'm looking at the referral page of the app, and it says you get 4,000 points for every friend you refer after they scan their first receipt, and they will also get 2,000 points. That's just a promotion from right now. I think it says that it ends Tuesday, which is actually today. So I'm pretty sure that promotion ends today. And usually instead of 4,000 points, I think it's 2,000 points. But still, 2,000 points is a lot of points. So my advice to you guys is, if you are with somebody and they do not have a Fetch Rewards account yet, and you have a receipt, instead of you going and scanning that receipt, give it to your friend or your family member and send them your referral link. Have them create an account through your referral link or your referral code. Have them scan that receipt, because then you'll get the 2,000 points, and they will also get 2,000 points. Or actually, if you were to do that right now, you would get 4,000 points. But those 2,000 or 4,000 points are most likely going to be a lot more than the points you would have gotten if you just scanned that receipt yourself. Unless you had something crazy going on, like you had this St. Archer Gold 6-pack lager, which now gives you 2,000 points if you have that in your receipt. But chances are, 99% of the time, you will get more points from that referral than you would by just scanning that receipt yourself. So if any of you guys want me to clarify anything, go ahead and ask me down in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer any questions or clarify anything. And once again, guys, my referral code will be right here. My referral link will be down in the description of this video. And I would be really grateful if you used either of those. And once again, guys, if you want to see more videos by me in the future, make sure that you go down there, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell notifications button. If you like this video, or if this video helped you out at all, I would appreciate it if you gave this video a like. That would help me out tremendously, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.